Hello guys, we are back again. I'm sorry I'm not making as videos as often as I used to, but we'll try definitely. So I'm playing this zombie mode, and I have some advices for you: how to survive it, and how not to die, and how to win it. Even though this one I'm going to give you a spoiler, I did not win this one, but I definitely learned a lot, and I was not able to record those videos which I won definitely. So I have advice for you. It's the first thing first. Try to grab a knife because zombies are really powerless and less effective during the day. So you can kill them with knife for multiple reason. One being not giving your location away, and as you can see we did a mistake here. We started shooting them right away because this was my first game, and I recorded it, but I was not able to upload it until today. And yeah, I've learned quite a lot from there on. So there is a zombie again, and you have to stay. Point two is like you have to stay together. This whole squad has to stay together. Because if you stay together, it will be hard for them to kill you, and you can kill as many as zombies come through, and try to shoot them in the head. See, my mistake, I was shooting them right in the chest or belly or stomach, but not in the head. So you have to shoot them in the head if you want to kill them quickly, and get as many first aid kits, energy drinks, injections, and painkiller as much as you can, because you're gonna need it when the night comes. Because in the night they are powerful, and you have to be smart enough to kill them, and stay with the team. Stay with the team. You have to all the time staying with the team. It's surviving. Otherwise, being alone, you will definitely die.
Are you done? No?
Alright, and yeah, and stay away from the boss during the night, because that asshole is really powerful, and you have to stay away from that zombie with ability. That asshole will definitely get you killed, because he's smart and his AI is very quick, and he knows where you're gonna go, and he will try to get you to the corner and kill you, as you will see later on what happened. I see the Tyrant is coming. That's the boss. That motherfucker is powerful. In my other games, I killed two of them in single game with the help of my squads, of course, and we were able to have a chicken dinner after that. But unfortunately, in this game, I was not able to, because I want to show you my mistakes, so you don't repeat it. Because if I just show you how I win, it would be easy. But I wanted to show you how not to repeat the same mistakes which I made in my first game. I was trying to be a hero and kill as many as zombies I can, and end up being a dead meat. So enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you will like it.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the crock pot.